Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the Minecraft launcher error code 11. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. Usually this error occurs due to outdated or corrupted graphic drivers. Second, bad shaders. Third, conflicts or broken modes. Fourth, corrupted Minecraft files. Fifth, outdated Java version. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix those issues. So let's fix the issue. So our first step is to update Windows. For that you need to enter into your settings and then Windows Update. Please check for update and update your Windows. Once it's done, it will automatically restart. And then the second step is to reset and repair Minecraft. For that you need to enter into your settings and then apps, following installed apps, and search for Minecraft and click the three dot icon and then enter into the advanced option. Then scroll down and over here you may see repair and reset. Please click repair and then reset. Once you reset, your credential will be erased and you need to log in again using your username and password. So third step is to reinstall or update Java. For that you need to enter into your control panel and then programs. In that you need to click Java. Over there you can see the update and update now to update your Java. You can also install the official version of Java 17 or 21 using the link in the description. Please copy the link and paste it on your browser to install the Java versions. Once it's done, please click OK. And the fourth step is to reinstall version or reset JVM Arguments. So for that, please enter into the Minecraft and then installation and then click new installation. Over there please copy the link on the description in the Java executables, and also please copy the link in the description for JVM Arguments. On the JVM Arguments in the XX you need to type the Java version. It's clearly mentioned on the description. Please follow that. So our fifth step is to run Minecraft as an administrator. So for that you need to enter into your file manager or your application location. Over there you can see the Minecraft application. Right click it and then enter into your properties and then compatibility and enable the run the program as an administrator and click apply and click OK. Once it's done, please close it. So sixth step is to delete web cache and log files. For that you need to press Windows R and then type %appdata %. Over there please click .minecraft and delete the files like web cache to the selected file. Once you delete it, please close it. If the previous step doesn't work, please follow the seventh step or else skip the step. And this step is nothing but you need to uninstall and reinstall your application again. So please follow the previous steps and make these steps in the last, and please check before once the application is running smoothly or not. If not, follow the seventh step. Guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube, and also you need to restart your system for better output. So thank you guys.